In this video, I'll show you how to quickly export an audio file as an MP3, WAV, or M4a in Camtasia. Hi, my name is David, and if this is your first time watching my videos and you get value from the content that you watch, kindly consider liking this video and sharing it with your friends. The default export option of audio files inside Camtasia is M4a, and you can achieve this by going to Export, Local File, and then once you get to this particular option, you only have the M4a audio only. Now the reason for this is because the MP3 option was removed in Camtasia 9 but was added in as a different option. So we'll just cancel this out so that we can export our audio as an MP3, WAV, or whatever format that we want. So to export in any of those formats, all you need to do is navigate to the second export app here. Just click on that, and then you'll see the option to export audio only. Click on that, and once you click on that, you can set the file name that you want, set the destination of that particular file, and then you can title your project whatever you want. Sample audio. Then there's the option to save as WAV with an extension of .wav, MP3 files, M4a files. So if all you wanted was to save your file as an MP3 file, maybe it's a podcast and the podcast hosting sites only support MP3, then you can click on MP3 and click on save. You'll see your audio being rendered out as an MP3 audio file. It's that simple and quick to save or export your audio files in Camtasia as MP3, WAV, or M4a. You have three options. Don't be limited by this particular export option. Use this other option to export your audio as MP3, WAV, or M4a. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has been of value. Until next time, never stop learning.